what's up? It's Jay Money at howtopulse.com. Today I've got a Model T Trezor, and we're going to do a migration. But I already have a seed phrase in this Model T, so I'm going to show you how to wipe that out first, and then we can go ahead and get it going with a new seed phrase from a migrated, like a MetaMask wallet. All right, so first thing you want to do is download the Trezor suite. If you don't have it yet, you're going to hit I own Trezor. This takes you to suite.trezor.io/start. Download the app and get that going. Okay, once you have the Trezor suite, you're just going to plug in your Model T. And I will have to put in a PIN number. This is for my old one, so we're not going to see that. Okay, once that PIN number is in, it is a standard wallet, and we go right here to the buttons for the sprocket, which is your settings. Scroll down and hit wipe memory. I understand that this deletes everything and it does not affect my funds, and we're going to hit wipe memory. Hold to confirm. Okay, we are now on a brand new wiped device, and we're going to begin setup. Set up Trezor. Firmware is updated already, and we want to recover wallet, not create a new. We want to recover a wallet here. Start the recovery. Confirm on the Trezor. Okay, and how many words are we gonna have? So it's safe to eject the Trezor. So we're gonna do a 12-word recovery. Okay, and we want to enter the seeds. So this is the nice thing about the Model T. So everything is done right on the screen. So I've got a 12-word dummy wallet here that we're going to go ahead and get started with. And first one is safe. So to get an S, I just click the S button once, and then the A is once, and then the F is 3 times. There's the word safe, and we hit OK and confirm. Okay, next is weigh. W-A-Y. Click average. A-V-E. There's average there. Hit OK. Mother. M-O-T. There's mother. Select. Layer. Rare. R-A-R. Nope, and I went too far. So we go back. Rare. There's rare. Okay. Combine. The boxes are small, so take your time and get them right. There's combine. Okay. Toe. Increase. Excite. fetch. And follow. Okay, you've successfully recovered your wallet. PIN is not set. We're going to hit continue, set a PIN, and we want to set a PIN. And I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the PIN number will be set. We'll go to the continue. And we're going to deselect Bitcoin. We just have Ethereum ERC20 selected. Okay, go down to the bottom, complete setup. We want to name this Trezor Test 2. Edit name. Yes, I want to name it Test 2. And as you can see now, this Trezor is labeled Test 2. Access the suite. This is a standard wallet. So here's where you'd have the option to do a passphrase or not do a passphrase. But in this case, we're doing a migration from a previous wallet you might have for MetaMask. So we cannot do a passphrase in this case to access these funds. So we're going to do standard wallet. Brings up the portfolio, says it's zero balance. Now it says it's ready to use. Click receive, show the full address. And this is 3A30, 3A30, confirm. Okay, this wallet is now ready to use. So we can close that. We can go to a MetaMask and open MetaMask. And in this case, 3A30 is already the MetaMask I have on this computer. So that wouldn't work. You'd have to delete this MetaMask now and download a new one. So we'll do that real quick. Remove from Chrome. Let me open this up all the way. Okay, we want to go to metamask.io. Download for Chrome. And we want to add a new one. Okay, that MetaMask has now been rebooted onto my Chrome. I'm going to create a new wallet, agree, create a password real quick. Okay, create, hit next, reveal your seeds. Let me write these down real quick, guys, and I will finish the process here in a second. So in the case that your MetaMask was already on your computer and you've migrated now those seed phrases into your Model T, you've deleted now the MetaMask that you were originally using on your Google Chrome, and you've deleted that MetaMask and you're starting a new one at this time. And this is what we would call our dummy MetaMask, and we call it that because you're never going to put any funds into this MetaMask. This is simply a user interface for your Trezors now. Okay, so I'm going to slide these back in. Let's see, we got slide Ghost Coffee, Salt, Expect, Soul, Kangaroo, Game, Involve, Scatter, Flat, Visa. Okay, All done, congratulations. I have just fired up a dummy MetaMask for the use of Trezors at this point. Okay, so now what you want to do is click on the colored circle here, and you can see all you have is account 1 with a 0 balance. It's a brand new account. Do not ever put any money into account 1 or any assets. You're going to connect your hardware wallet, go to Trezor, export the public key from Chrome into MetaMask. We did not create a passphrase, so hit enter. And then here's that 3A30 account that we saw in the suite. And now, as you can see, I have 3A30 Trezor 1 on MetaMask. We have account 1 and we have Trezor 1. This is how you will connect to the MetaMask dummy wallet using your Trezor in order to interact with the Trezor device. Okay, when you're done using this device, hit remove account, remove, and now we're back to just the account 1, and you can unplug this Trezor and you can plug in a different one and use the same method to connect to your Trezor, connect your Trezor to MetaMask. So I hope this helps everybody. This is the Model T migration from a MetaMask 12-word seed phrase into the Trezor Model T. All right, guys, thanks. Have a great day.